Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some reality TV news. Now, these are the videos that I made on TikTok regarding Izingani Zestembu. Tell me, what are your views? What are your opinions? Ezinye, I'm little bit behind, but you can never be too late for Umkosinyana. So please do like, share, and subscribe, and add your opinion while you edit.
Guys, sorry for coming late to the party. Ne? So, if you watched Uthando Nestembu the previous week, right? Not the one is Buya Manji. Ubaba Mseleku touched on the fact yokuthi if anything happens to the kids, he gets affected because when they live for him. And he meant it in a sense yokuthi if anything happens to them, if should one die today, God forbid, it's going to be said ukuthi yes, sash ukuthi uthwele ngabo. Yo, guys, I felt ipain kaMseleku when it came to that part to say kunzima ukuthi whatever happens to your child, you panic, not because also because you care for your children, but also because of how the community views you since unetho, like unotho like unali itsinyana nthonyana enyane bya ngesa chicken thing le fatse fandiwane mara because of ukhono roba lo jilela bana ba ba ntshintshi batho ba nona no hona le something yana o tsamaya lona ka tsamaya le one. That's sad. But furthermore, I want to ask a question, Guti. Are we going to see him every episode? Because naglabila, I wonder though. Remoni, guys, remoni. Na personally, akibulele lona ke ithu nala mrata ne ke role model nna. Nna ke shabo bafethu. Alibona ngizingani ze hore dia khona unganisa or vele this is the last season.